Hi guys, it's Kelly. Subscribe. It's pouring right now. There's at least 2 inches, almost 3 inches of water right there. It is lightning. It is pouring. And it hasn't even been raining that long. Look over here. It is just, oh, there's some lightning. Guys, it is just completely flooding. Let me, just a minute. All right, guys, I am in my bathroom, and it is just completely pouring right now. Okay, let me show you. Hi, Jazz! Look at our ditch. It is about to overflow. This road has turned into a river. And no joke, everything is just completely flooded. Just about an hour ago, there was no clouds at all. Not even clean clouds. This is crazy. And yes, it has been worse weather here. It was raining like this. But worse. And someone plugged up the ditch. So the ditch was obviously overflowing. And there was at least 1.5 feet of water in our yard after it had stopped raining. So, yeah, this is crazy. And people are driving in this weather. Like, there's like no one on the highway though. So yeah, I will give you an update in a few minutes. My cat likes the dark. Alright guys. It's been like 4 minutes. And everything, the ditch is getting closer and closer to overflowing. I'm actually going to head to my room so I can give you, oh, all of a sudden our ditch, like look at that. Like all of a sudden it just started coming out so fast. But yeah, it's flooding. Pretty much, kind of. Or probably have like a flash flood warning or something. But I hardly ever watch the news anyways, so. Yeah. Lots of water. So yeah. I'm gonna go to my room and I will see you guys there. Okay, I know this isn't my room, but just to give you an example of how much water there is. Look, it is completely flooded right there. There's at least 3 inches of water there. And like not even really that long. It hasn't been really raining for that long. The road is just completely flooded. And over here, like, guys, the roads at this trailer park are literally turning into rivers. Time to enter my room, but first, let me show you. Look, just flooded. It's raining so much that our AC is leaking. Look, there's a mirror on our door now. There's lights. There's Oreo. There's Wiggies. And here's my guinea pig, Reese's. And his big water bottle. Okay guys, it's like flooding. Down there is flooding, basically. Okay, and this is the deeper end of the ditch, and it's overflowing, basically. This is not good, guys. There's so much water. Like, look. You can't hardly see, but there's, like, so much water. You can see it, like, along here pretty well. But if you look back there, there's actually quite a bit of water. It's just really hard to see. along there and up and around there and under this guy's car is just completely flooded. Oh, the ditch is definitely overflowing now. I'm gonna go. Yeah, just a minute. Bloodiness. Just focus. Water. Thunder. Okay, guys. Okay, usually you see this pipe here? Focus. Okay, you see? Okay, it looks like half, but it's only like a fourth of the pipe showing, and that's usually where the water's coming out, but the water is coming out so fast. It's coming out 3/4 of the pipe. Wow. Guys. This is actually kind of scary. You can't really see the raindrops anymore, but it is still raining. After the rain, I will probably ask my mom if I can go out and play in puddles. Because, I mean, who doesn't want to play in a puddle that's like 5 million times as big as they are? I just hope that there's no damage to anyone's homes. Because I think it was hailing a little bit. I just hope that nothing has happened, that there's been no wrecks. I have heard a couple sirens, and I'm pretty sure they were ambulances, because I'm pretty good at telling, and I heard a fire truck too. And also, I heard 2 ambulances, a few police cars, and a fire truck. They weren't all at the same time though, but the ditch is definitely overflowing. Yeah, so is the road. The road is completely flooded on that end. So, yeah. Okay, that's it, guys. Don't forget to subscribe, like, and tell everyone you possibly can about my channel. Bye! Monkey!